So, how'd you go with that revision session? So, I'm just going to quickly demonstrate how you go about checking your answers using a calculator. And this is what we be asking you to do on Tuesday. So, let's have a look at the three tasks. Basically, in this test, we're only testing you on how to simplify, how to expand, how to factorize. So, looking at the first one, we want to simplify this. That's we add all the like terms. In this case, all the x terms. So manually or tech-free, you would have gone 3x take away 12. I've got more negatives than positive. That's minus 9x. And minus 9x plus 5x is minus 4x minus 6. And there's your answer. Now to check, you go to your calculator and opening up your calculator. Remember, you're in calculator page. That's home calculator page. Okay, and you're ready to do that. When it comes to simplifying, it's the equal or enter button. So all we have to do is 3, and I always treat it as a dumbass calculator. That's times by x minus 12 times by x and plus 5x and minus 6. Press enter. Remember, to simplify, you press enter and you can then give yourself a tick. That's what we'll be expecting you to do that. So do the same. Now remember, when it comes to pronumerals next to each other, very important that you put that multiplication. If you don't, you'll get yourself into a lot of bother. The second thing that we need to check, of course, is expanding. So make sure when you expand that you will do the process of everything outside the bracket gets multiplied by what's inside the bracket. And we have things like FOIL, okay? So here we have FOIL. So that's first is x squared. Outside is plus 2x. Inside is minus 5x. And last is minus 10. As you can see, the two terms in the middle are like terms. So you go x squared minus 3x, because I've got more minuses than plus, minus 10. We're now ready to check our answers. Remember, for this, we need menu, we need algebra, and we need one for solve. So it's menu one, so menu three, menu three. Now those brackets are not your brackets, okay? So if you've got brackets here, you need to put the brackets in. So that's bracket x minus 5, just go across. You can either use tab or crossover, times it by, it's binomial product. Again, another set of brackets, x plus 2, and press enter. And there you go. Ooh, what happened there? Oh, see, I made a mistake. So remember, cursor up, press enter. It's a quick way of copying. You can now go and fix up that. Remember, if you don't put it exactly as it is, you won't be able to check your answers. And there's our correct answer. So we can give ourselves a tick. Um, so let's expand. Remember, we have some shortcuts. This is good old DOPS, the difference of two squares. Again, the DOPS, the difference of two squares. Square the first, square the second, and always the difference. Square the first, 4x squared, square the second, 16, and always the difference. And you can check your calculator for that. So that was expand. And the final thing you need to do, so it was menu 3. The final thing is, of course, to check your factorizing. So let's do one of these trinomials. So we'll do this one here. So remember, when we're doing this, we need our B is equal to minus 9, and our C is equal to minus 10. So we need the factors of 10. So we have our x and x. X times x is x squared. Now the factors of 10, because it's a negative, we want one negative and one positive. And we want more negatives than positives. So we need oops, I don't know where you went. Let's come back. We need minus 10 times plus 1. And do they add up to minus 9? Yes, they do. So it's actually plus 10 and, sorry, minus 10 times it by plus 1 gives us minus 10, the factors of minus 10, and they add up to minus 9. So that's going to be x minus 10 and x plus 1. Then you check it. That's menu on your calculator. Menu 3, 2. Choose the numbers 3, 2. It's much quicker than using your cursor. This time we don't have brackets, so that's all right. We just put out whatever's there, what's there, which is x squared. That's x squared minus 9 times x minus 10. Press enter, and there's our answer. So do that for the entire test, and you will be able to check how you went in the revision session. And our session on Tuesday will be exactly the same. So we'll be using the double period to do that, and maybe do an introduction to our next topic. Have a good day.